Hello, Roger from Norway here. I will give you Satisfaction #1 hit, Rolling Stones. It's in the key of E, 3-chord song, easy to play, and on the standard tuned guitar. I'll play it through so you can see the way I play it. I can't get no satisfaction, no. I can't get no satisfaction, 'cause I try and I try and I try and I try. I can't get no, no, I can't get no. When I'm driving in my car and comes on the radio, telling me more and more about this useless information, supposed to fire my imagination. I can't get no, 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 no. Hey, that's what I say. I can't get no satisfaction, no. I can't get no satisfaction, 'cause I try and I try and I try and I try. I can't get no, no, I can't get no, 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 no. Okay, something like that. Start on string 5 with a little vibrato on fret 2, play fret 4, 5 and walk down again. Then I play the root note, the string 6 on the chord E, and it's the chord E, A and B7. That's the whole through the whole song. You start with the vibrato on the intro, fret 2, string 5, fret 4 and 5, walk back again. Then you're into the chord E, root note, string 6, downstroke. I use my pinky on fret 2 and 3 on string 2. So this I use through the whole song and also on the chord A, but you start to sing I can't get no on the chord A, satisfaction. Here I play satisfaction. You can play it easily, only satisfaction on the A, but if you vary it by lifting your middle finger from fret 2, string 3, and also use your pinky on fret 3, string 2, it goes like this. I can't get no satisfaction. I can't get no satisfaction, 'cause I try onto the A, onto the E, sorry, to the B7, and I try onto the E, and on the A, try. I can't get no, no, I can't get no. When I'm on the A, on the E, try in my onto the A, car, and a man comes on the radio, telling me more and more. strum it, and good luck.